Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to H World News. In a world where science fiction often blurs the lines between reality and imagination, a physicist's recent study has reignited the age-old question, are we living in a computer simulation? Dr. Melvin Vopson, an associate professor of physics at the University of Portsmouth in the UK, has published research in the prestigious AIP Advances journal that adds a new layer of support to this intriguing theory. The concept that our reality might be nothing more than an elaborate simulation is not entirely novel, with popular culture references like The Matrix and high-profile proponents such as Elon Musk. However, Dr. Vopson's work delves into the realm of information physics, a branch of science proposing that the universe is fundamentally composed of bits of information. Vopson's second law of infodynamics suggests that all systems, including biological life, evolve in a way that optimally compresses their information content over time, resembling how computer programs handle data. This startling observation emerged while studying COVID genome mutations, which consistently reduced entropy, challenging the widely accepted second law of thermodynamics. If this behavior mirrors the rules of computer coding and is a cosmological necessity, as Dr. Vopson contends, it raises the intriguing possibility that our entire universe might be a vast computer simulation. Moreover, he theorizes that information could be the elusive dark matter in the universe, potentially making up for the 95% of the universe that remains unseen and unidentified. Dr. Vopson's prior research proposed that information is not just a concept but a physical entity with mass, which he referred to as the mass-energy-information equivalence principle. According to him, if information indeed has mass, then it could potentially account for the missing dark matter, estimated to be around 95% of the universe. This groundbreaking hypothesis has led Dr. Vopson to seek crowdfunding for further research aimed at detecting and measuring information within elementary particles through particle-antiparticle collisions. This experiment could offer valuable insights into the validity of his theories and bring us closer to answering the age-old question of whether our reality is a complex simulation or something else entirely. As the scientific community eagerly awaits the results of Dr. Vopson's research, the notion that our universe might be a simulated construct remains a thought-provoking and captivating concept, challenging the boundaries of what we understand about the world around us. While we may not have definitive answers just yet, the pursuit of such questions keeps the spirit of exploration and curiosity alive in the scientific world. Remember to like and subscribe if you would like to hear more news stories like this.